I'm using 4mm single strand cord. Fold your 1.5 meter length in half evenly. Wrap the end with a piece of tape, and this will make it much easier to thread your cord through your bead. Remove the tape. Give a little length so you can hang your piece later from the tree or wherever you want to hang it, and then just tie an overhand knot. And then pin that down. I highly suggest use a macrame board or perhaps a cork board to hold down your piece while you're working on it. I'm just doing a tie like that to secure the bead into place. Take one of your 110cm lengths, put it behind the cord on the left, over, and then pull these cords through. This is called the reverse lark's head knot. Add another one on that side, and two on the other side. The reverse lark's head knot looks like the double half hitch knot. I'm using another pin to hold the top in place. Now make adjustments to the top because that's the top of your Christmas tree, and I want to have a bit of a steepness to it. Now take this cord and do double half hitches to the left. This cord is going to act as your filler cord. If you need a tutorial for the double half hitch knot, there will be a link in the description below. And I'm going to pin it down here. By pinning it here, I can curve the edge a little bit, kind of like how a tree's branches would curve up. Do the same thing on the other side. Take the 4 cords in the middle, they're going to be the center of the square knot, and take these 2 cords and they're going to do the knotting of the square knot. Pull on the filler cords to make them all nice and snug. Pin down the outside edges. Split it so there's the same number of cords on each side. Take the inner cord from the left side and do double half hitches towards the left. Add a 100cm length with the reverse lark's head knot. And do one more double half hitch knot. Do the same thing on the other side. Starting from the middle, do double half hitches to the left. Do the same thing on the other side. With the inner 6 cords, do a square knot. Pull the filler cords so the square knot is nice and snug. Pin down those outside edges. Start from the outside and do double half hitches to the middle. When you get to the last 2 cords, if your double half hitches are feeling a bit cramped, then just do half hitches instead of the doubles. And that's what I'm doing. And do the same thing from the right to the left. With the 6 middle cords, the same ones that you made the square knot with, I'm going to wrap those with a cord. Use a piece of cord that's long enough to wrap it around those 6 cords twice, and then tie it on the back with the knot. And then trim off those ends of cords. I remove all my pins. Now it's time to cut the ends. These middle ones, I'm going to cut a couple inches for now. I'll probably trim them in a bit. I'm cutting these outside ones quite a bit shorter. Before I cut the other side, I'm going to comb out the fringe to see how I like it. Now I'm going to cut the other side. Now what I'm doing here is just dampening the ends with a little bit of water. This is a little trick I do for cutting short fringe. It helps to make a straight line. And now you have something like this.